In God's great big plan, front lining in the war that's not fought by man. I got a weapon called the word and my shield is faith. Stepping up against evil, spreading scripture like mace. Just one taste from the soldiers, the D is cyanide. And just like this word told ya, fight me, don't even try. Got a battalion full of angels, but this ain't no thing. Being guided by this Lord through this mind for the sin. I'm giving breath each day to keep my mind on the task. Follow through with my orders with no questions asked. Relentless be the struggle, but my scrap is tight. Being visited by demons as I sleep at night. Fully on by God's on my soul, that means I can't be touching. As I wake up in the morning, I'll refuel with love, putting it all on the line for my freedom and soul. And every day I pray to God for Him to take control. These cards will never fold, long as my lungs have breath. And it's because the soul is so tired to fight till death. The enemy tries to test, but yet I stand and contest. But justice will be served, and every sin confessed. Blessed be the ones who we fight with on this life's battleground, taking the enemy's best shots, yet refusing to go down. The trumpet sound, we know now it won't be long. Though I walk through the shadow of the valley of death, I still stand strong, cause I'm a soldier.
I live my life, a soldier for the Lord.
Cause I'm a soldier.
I live my life.
How you living, how you living?
A soldier for the Lord.
Yeah. Come on, Jose.
I live my life as a soldier on the spiritual battlefield. I bite a chunk out of evil like Tyson did Holyfield. Then I spill the blood of demons surrounding me in the precious name of